Ever found yourself staring at your digital wallet, maybe after a successful crypto trade or receiving a payment, and wondered, can I actually touch this money? Like, physically withdraw cash from my Beam wallet? It's a pretty common question, especially as more and more of our financial lives move into the digital realm. We're used to traditional banks where cash withdrawals are a given, but what about the world of cryptocurrencies and digital payment platforms like Beam Wallet? Let's cut to the chase. Directly withdrawing physical cash from the Beam Wallet app itself, in the same way you'd go to an ATM with a bank card, isn't a direct feature. Beam Wallet, at its core, is a digital payment solution primarily focused on facilitating confidential cryptocurrency transactions, peer-to-peer transfers, and payments at participating merchants. It's built on privacy-centered blockchain technology, allowing for secure and efficient digital asset management. Think of it more like a crypto wallet with advanced privacy features, not a direct bridge to the physical cash economy on its own. However, that doesn't mean your Beam tokens are stuck in the digital ether forever. The process of converting your digital assets held in Beam Wallet into physical cash usually involves an intermediary. The most common and reliable method is to first transfer your Beam tokens to a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Beam and offers fiat off-ramps. Platforms like Kraken, for example, allow you to deposit your Beam tokens. Once your Beam is on the exchange, you can then sell it for fiat currency, such as USD, Euro, or your local currency. After the sale is complete, the fiat funds can typically be withdrawn to your linked bank account via bank transfer or wire transfer. From your bank account, you can then withdraw physical cash using your debit card at an ATM or by visiting your bank branch. Some exchanges might also offer prepaid cards that can be loaded with your fiat balance, which you can then use for ATM withdrawals. It's important to remember that this process isn't instantaneous. Transferring crypto to an exchange, selling it, and then withdrawing to a bank account can take anywhere from a few hours to several business days, depending on the exchange's processing times, your bank's policies, and the chosen withdrawal method. There will also likely be transaction fees involved at various stages, from network fees for transferring Beam to exchange trading fees, and potentially withdrawal fees from the exchange or your bank. Another point to consider is the regulatory landscape. Depending on your location and the amounts involved, exchanges might require identity verification, KYC, know your customer, before you can withdraw large sums of fiat. This is standard practice in the cryptocurrency world to comply with anti-money laundering (AML) regulations. So, while Beam Wallet itself doesn't offer a direct cash-out button to dispense physical currency, it's an essential part of an ecosystem that allows you to manage your confidential digital assets. Converting those assets to cash is a multi-step process that leverages the broader crypto and traditional financial infrastructure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.